What if I told you that just $100 invested the right way could put you ahead of most beginners? The biggest mistake people make isn't starting with too little money. It's investing in the wrong things. Instead of chasing hot stocks or risky crypto, focus on these 5 investments. First, build an emergency fund because protecting your money comes before growing it. Second, invest in a low-cost S&P 500 index fund to own a piece of America's biggest companies. Third, take advantage of a 401k or Roth IRA if you're eligible, especially if you can get an employer match. Fourth, invest in real estate through REITs so you can own real estate without buying a property. And finally, invest in yourself by learning high-income skills that can increase your earning power for years. The earlier you start, the more time your money has to grow. Which of these 5 investments are you starting with first? Let me know in the comments and follow for more smart money tips.